Alrighty, so let's talk about how we get the video controls up and running prior to showtime. So to begin with, we are going to start with the auditorium AV control box. This box during Tech Week is located in the middle of all the tables, here in the middle of the auditorium. Otherwise, this box will actually be located in the control booth, whoops, right there, on the left-hand side. So it's on the right while we're looking at it right now, but once you're in there, it's on the left-hand side. So that will be in front of a screen and will look like this when you first come in. So we have two different options here. We want to make sure that we click advanced mode. Advanced mode is going to allow us to not only send the sound to the actual speakers out here from the soundboard, but it will also allow us to actually do a more advanced video routing. So here we can see a list of all the different displays that are within the theater. And if we were on lecture mode, we would only see a fraction of all these displays. That's just one of a number of differences between this, or the advanced mode, and lecture mode. So the next thing that you want to do is you want to reference the beginning, you want to reference the script to look at where the initial state of all these videos or all these displays should be at the beginning of each show. During the show, they'll actually change, so you want to make sure that you're watching the script in addition to running the camera controls. So the camera controls are over here. This will make it so that you can then control the camera that's in the rear of the house and do different preset locations. We'll talk about that when we get into how you actually run the AV control. Other than that, so you have to, again, route the various inputs to the various outputs here. Once you get done with that, that is it, at least for the video routing. The next thing that we're going to do is we'll talk about the Extron recorder and how to get that set up. So that way we can actually start the recordings right here on this screen on the advanced functions. So we'll talk about that in the next video. That's it, that's all.